Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do some interesting questions. How, why, what? In that, how jungles are created? Why the Amazon rainforest is called as lungs of our planet? Forests can be created by natural process or by human intervention. The first forests evolved from small plants that developed water conducting canals with lignin for structural support. The first known forests appeared around 390 million years ago with the evolution of Cladoxyllepicid lapicid planets. The Archaeopteryx plant, which was tree-like and term-like, was the first species to cast a shade and create soil. By human invention also, the forests are created. Human can create forests by planting trees. Forest plantations often contain a limited range of species that are easier to manage. These are the points how the human intervention in the forest. Surveying local forest fragments, identifying potential natural vegetation trees species, collecting seeds from local trees, applying a mulch made from local materials, treating the soil and seeding with soil improvers, planting seeding randomly and at high density, watering regularly and keeping the site weed from free for the first 2 years. Now we'll discuss further about how jungles are created. The jungles or tropical rainforests are produced by natural process over a long period of time. Due to climate, jungles are typically found in tropical regions with high annual rainfall and hot, humid climates. They are located between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, where there is a relatively constant sunlight over year round. Jungles have three distinct layers. Canopy, the uppermost layer, made up of the crowns of giant trees that can grow to over 250 feet tall. Canopy is warm and sunny and is home to 50 to 90% of the rainforest's life. Understory, the middle layer, made up of the smaller trees, vines, ferns, and palms. Forest floor, the bottom layer covered with wet leaves and leaf little that decompose quickly, the leaf litter that decompose quickly, returning nutrients to the soil. It's a rounding which happen. Self-seeding. If left alone, the forest will naturally self-seed and take over in around 600 to 1000 years. The main driver of deforestation is agricultural expansion, especially large scale commercial agriculture. Now, next question. Why the Amazon rainforest is called the lungs of our planet? The Amazon rainforest is called the lungs of the planet because it absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and releases oxygen through photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide absorption. The Amazon rainforest absorbs about 25% of the atmospheric carbon dioxide. Oxygen production. The Amazon forest produces about 6% of the Earth's oxygen. Climate change. The Amazon rainforest trees slow down climate changes by absorbing carbon dioxide. Biodiversity. The Amazon forest is the most biodiverse region on Earth, providing shelter to millions of plant and animal species. The Amazon rainforest is also known as the selvas. However, the amount of carbon dioxide the rainforest absorbs and produces varies from year to year due to climate changes. This variation can indicate how vulnerable the rainforest is to climate changes. The Amazon rainforest is also threatened by human actions such as the Amazon forests are nowadays threatened more by human actions such as fires set to clear land to cattle reaching, farming and logging, deforestation. Deforestation is the bad condition because unnecessary deforestation is a bad condition to ruin easily the big forests. Deforestation is the deliberate, natural, or accidental clearing, destroying, or removal of trees and other plant life in large areas. It can occur by many reasons. Agriculture, the most common cause of deforestation, with 80% of the deforestation resulting from cattle ranching, soy, and palm oil plantations. Logging. Trees are cut down to meet the global demand for wood and wood products. Mineral extraction affects up to one-third of the global forest ecosystems. Because of mining, the mineral extraction affects up to one-third of the global forest ecosystem. Urbanization. Forested areas are cleared to make way for sites and settlements. Deforestation has many devastating consequences, including climate changes. Deforestation is a main driver of climate change and contributes to global warming. Biodiversity loss. Deforestation is a threat to the world's biodiversity. Soil erosion. Deforestation can lead to soil erosion, fewer crops. The deforestation can lead to fewer crops. Deforestation can lead to flooding. So, better to keep forest at as it grows itself. Uh, Unnecessarily don't deforest. If you are making deforest, the global warming happens, some other bad effects to the human life also can be created. So let us protect forest. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.